Understanding indirect heat in cooking and grilling. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase indirect heat. This is a common term used in cooking, especially in grilling. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in different contexts. Indirect heat refers to a method of cooking where the food is not placed directly over the heat source. Unlike direct heat, where food is cooked right over the flame or heat, indirect heat involves cooking food in a covered grill or oven where the heat surrounds the food. This method is ideal for cooking larger or tougher cuts of meat that require longer cooking times at lower temperatures. It prevents the outside of the food from burning before the inside is fully cooked. 1. Grilling a whole chicken. When grilling a whole chicken, using indirect heat allows the chicken to cook evenly without burning the skin. The chicken is placed on one side of the grill with the burners on the other side lit. 2. Baking bread in an oven. Baking bread in an oven is another example of indirect heat. The heat comes from the oven walls and circulates around the bread, baking it evenly. 3. Smoking meat. Smoking meat involves cooking it at a low temperature over a long period. The heat source is often separated from the meat, allowing it to cook slowly and absorb smoky flavors. Even cooking. Indirect heat cooks food more evenly, reducing the risk of burning. Ideal for tough cuts. It's perfect for tougher cuts of meat that need longer cooking times. Flavor enhancement. Allows for better flavor absorption, especially in smoking. Flexibility in cooking. Offers more control over the cooking process, making it suitable for a variety of dishes. And that wraps up our discussion on indirect heat. This method of cooking is essential for certain dishes and helps in achieving a perfect balance of flavor and texture. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your English language learning journey. Happy cooking and see you in the next video!